Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Newscope Daily TV, your trusted platform for in-depth analysis of global political, legal, and media affairs. Tonight, we dive into a highly sensitive and explosive controversy emerging from newly discussed materials linked to the Epstein files and the ongoing political media storm surrounding the Trump family. According to reports circulating in media and legal commentary, a recently surfaced FBI interview summary connected to the Jeffrey Epstein case appears to challenge a long-standing public claim made by Melania Trump regarding how she first met Donald Trump. The document reportedly suggests that Jeffrey Epstein may have played a role in introducing the two, an assertion that aligns with long-standing reporting by journalist Michael Wolff. Beyond the question of origin and introduction, this situation has escalated into a full-scale legal and media confrontation involving defamation threats, strategic lawsuits, and competing narratives. Stay with us until the end as we break down the timeline, the legal battle, and the three major theories explaining the latest developments. Don't forget to subscribe to Newscope Daily TV, like this video, share it widely, and turn on notifications for more global analysis. At the center of this controversy is a purported FBI interview summary linked to the broader Epstein investigation files. According to interpretations of this material, Jeffrey Epstein is alleged to have been involved in introducing Melania Trump to Donald Trump. This directly contradicts Melania Trump's publicly stated version of events, which has consistently denied any controversial intermediary in their meeting. The resurfacing of this claim has reopened a long-debated question. Who actually introduced Melania Trump to Donald Trump? And more importantly, why is this issue resurfacing now with renewed intensity in the public sphere? The escalating legal battle, parallel to the controversy over the Epstein-related claim, a legal war has intensified between Melania Trump and Michael Wolff. Based on available reports, Melania Trump's legal team reportedly threatened Michael Wolff with a $1 billion defamation lawsuit. Wolff responded by filing a lawsuit first, invoking New York's anti-SLAPP laws designed to protect against legal actions that suppress free speech. Following this, Melania Trump's lawyers allegedly attempted to move the case to federal court, and possibly to Florida, where they may expect a more favorable judicial environment. This legal maneuvering reflects a broader strategy battle, where jurisdiction and legal framing may prove just as important as the facts themselves. The White House press conference controversy tensions further escalated after Melania Trump held a White House press conference in which she strongly denied all allegations linked to Epstein-related narratives. However, Michael Wolff publicly responded, stating that her denial contradicts information he claims to already possess through his investigative reporting. This has created a direct clash of narratives, where each side accuses the other of misinformation or misrepresentation. Three main theories explaining the situation. Analysts and commentators have proposed three major theories regarding why Melania Trump's public statements and actions may have escalated at this moment. Influencing the judicial process. One theory suggests that the press conference was intended to shape public perception and indirectly influence the judge handling the ongoing legal dispute. In high-profile cases, public narrative pressure can sometimes impact how proceedings are perceived, even if not formally acknowledged. Preempting damaging disclosures. A second theory argues that the press conference may have been a preemptive move, anticipating the release or wider circulation of sensitive FBI-related documents. From this perspective, the goal would be to control the narrative before potentially damaging information becomes public. Political and personal signaling. A third interpretation suggests a more internal dynamic, proposing that the statement could reflect tension within the Trump political and personal environment. According to this view, the press conference may also signal frustration over being drawn into the broader Epstein-related controversy, a broader media and political war. Beyond the individuals involved, this case highlights a much larger phenomenon: the blurring of boundaries between media, law, and politics. Public figures today operate in an environment where legal disputes become media events. Media narratives influence legal perception, and personal reputation becomes a political battleground. Every statement, document, and interview becomes part of a contested narrative. Impact on public opinion, and surprisingly, this controversy is further polarizing public opinion. Some observers see it as evidence of hidden political and historical complexities, while others view it as a media-driven amplification of unverified claims. Regardless of interpretation, the result is the same: increasing distrust and fragmentation in how information is received and interpreted. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a developing situation with many unanswered questions. Between legal disputes, contested documents, and conflicting narratives, separating confirmed facts from interpretation remains extremely challenging. What is clear, however, is that this case reflects a broader reality of modern public life. Politics, media, and law are now deeply interconnected in shaping public truth. Thank you for watching this special report on Newscope Daily TV. If you found this analysis insightful, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it widely, turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive investigation. We remain committed to bringing you clear, structured, and in-depth coverage of the stories shaping our world. See you next time on Newscope Daily TV.